Bored of watching MP3 songs on iPod Classic? So today I'm going to tell you how can you put MP4 video songs on your iPod. See, it's a video song. So today I'll be telling you how to put MP4 songs. So without wasting time, come, let's go. Hi guys, as you know today I'm going to tell you how to put MP4 videos files to your iPod Classic. So let's begin. So just go to the Microsoft Store. It's there in your every Windows 10. So once you go to Windows 10, I'll tell you everything in step by step, no skipping. Okay, let's begin. So just search over here as iTunes, iTunes. So you can see over here this iTunes app. Just click on it. It's loading. Yeah, so Apple iTunes. So just click on Get. Just no thanks to this. Click on no thanks and it'll start downloading it. So as you can see, it's starting the download. iTunes starting download. So it's downloading it. Acquiring license, downloading iTunes. $35 KB. You can see it's downloading. So mine's at a speed of this KB per second. Okay, so it's 213 MB. It's a very less space taking app. For laptop and all, 213 MB is very less. Okay, so 1.33 MB is downloaded. Let's wait until it downloads. Okay, 5.33, 9.32. Okay, so the final is 214.1 MB. Final space of the app. First it was gathering the space. Now 25 MB is being downloaded. Let's wait. It's an app by Apple company, as you can see here. It's a verified publisher. And as you know, Microsoft Store is a very good and secured thing. Okay, it's downloading. Once you install it, I'll tell you some settings to do. You can do the settings. If you're a first time connector, you have to do some settings. Then you can just enjoy it. Once you do the settings and click on apply, I'll tell you that. Then next time you can just connect and do it. I've done a video how to put MP3 songs also. You can just go to our channel and just check it. So it's downloading. .27 MB has been downloaded. .67 MB. So 89, 91, 93 MB has been downloaded. Okay, so you can see my speed is around 4.4 to 5 MB per second. See, 5 MB per second. The downloading depends on your internet speed. If your internet is very slow, it takes a bit more time. Mine is a bit fast. And if you don't have Windows 10, to get it from Microsoft Store, I'll give you some links in the description where you can download iTunes from web but secured. The links will be in the description. If for Windows 7 and other Windows 8. Windows 8 mostly Microsoft Store will be there. Even the Apple company will give you the free version of the iTunes to download. Apple for Windows 10. One 201 MB is downloaded. Yeah, so it's almost it's done to 14.1 MB of 214. Now it's downloading, installing it. Downloading finished. Now it's installing. See, installing iTunes. Only this much is let's wait. Okay, the product is installed. You can see, you can just minimize it or also close it. Now you can go to your iTunes. See, it's there. I recently added iTunes. Now go to your iTunes. Just click on it, iTunes. It's opening. Just a second. And make sure your iPod and iPod cable. Yeah, this comes first. Just scroll it till full last. Okay. Or else it will not take when you keep it at first. Just scroll full last and just click on agree. I think it's loading. Yeah. So this is the welcome page of iTunes. It's from Apple, secure. Let's maximize it now. Okay, so here this is the welcome. You can just give it a agree. Okay, so now you have to just connect your iPod with the cable, iPod Classic cable and USB. So I connected it. Yeah, so the software required with iPods it's not installed. So with iPod it's not in this is iPod. You can just download and install it. It's connecting to the iPod. So it's downloading the version for iPod. Let's wait. See, you can see here the download symbol is downloading. Let's be refreshing. Okay, it's still downloading. Let's click to see what happens. Yeah, so it's only 32 MB, nothing to worry. iPod support. So 23 is happening. 24. It's almost done. This is iPod Classic, and the same steps you can do it in your iPod Touch if there. So you can see, okay, 32 done. Okay, here this is the Windows iPod support. Just give it a yes, and it's installing. Okay, it's waiting. Let's wait. It's installing iPod support. Okay, let's. So it's connected. Your iPod will be ejected and it will be connected automatically because it has to take it. Okay, it will automatically eject and take it. Okay, so you can see over here. So before you can see my Chirag's iPod. So before we do anything, we have to set it up. So you can see this iPod, your iPod. Just click on it. You need to set up some things. Yeah. So this is you can see over here. This is my 160 GB iPod Classic. See, iPod Classic. This is the thing. So make sure you have all these things connected, checked. Open iTunes when the iPod is connected, and manually manage music and videos, and enable disk use. So instead of sync, if the options are ticked automatically, you just leave it. If they are not, make sure you do it, please. Okay, then you do. If you change something, see, it will be apply. So I'm not changing anything. So it's my as it is. You can just click on apply by selecting the correct one and click on done. So you can just go to music over here and you can see that everything is there over here. See all your musics which are there. Okay, so let's ignore it and just go to your musics, and when you scroll down in the and make sure this is selected to music. Okay, and this music, these all are musics. So you can first, before putting a MP4 songs, make sure you have the MP4 video you want to download. Then I'll give you a link in it. Then you have to just go and search a thing called just select this bare file converter to iPod Classic video. Okay, just enter this and you can see this offuck.com convert to iPod Classic. Just click on it. Yeah, so if you cannot, I'll just give the link in the description. You can click on it. Okay, so see here AVI MV, and let's close this. And this video size, make sure it's at 512 into 384, the maximum. And frame rate also, it should be 30. Use the frame rate 30 and do not change anything in this, and just click on upload. Okay, first do the settings and then click on upload. So it's a normal MP4. To iPod Classic you cannot put a direct MP4 or else it will tell invalid input. So this is the thing I have downloaded. I'll just open it. So it's uploading. this I told you I'm going to tell two steps and the advantage and disadvantage. So this is the first step, you can do it. And the disadvantage is the disadvantage is see, upload file size should be less than 50 MB. So this should be less than 50 MB. Mine, as you saw, it was 17 MB. And so this is one disadvantage. And advantage is this is a web app. So if yours is less than 50 MB, you can use this, or else more than 50 MB. I'm going to tell you the second method. The second method is an app. You have to install the app for doing it. This is a web based. Okay, I'll tell you both the methods. Okay, it's just almost done, but half is done. Let's wait. Okay, so it's almost done, but not. Okay, more something is there. This everything I'm showing you is a very secure site. See this, connection is secure. Your information, for example, password credits, is private when it's sent to the site. So the certificate is also valid. If you want, you can just click and check it. But I know it's good. Opt.com. See, it's convert to iPod Classic video. So this is the format the iPod takes to put the MP4 files. iPod Classic. So it's almost done. But oh, here. Okay, almost done. Yeah, so it's done. Now just click on convert. It'll come like this, source file, and like this. Just don't download it. Just first you have to convert it. Click on convert. Okay, it's converted. You can see it's converting. Yeah, it's converting. And if you want, like you can just paste the URL if any in browser and just add the file. See, this is a secure site. This site does not store user upload files. All uploaded and converted files are automatically deleted after 2 hours. So it's all safe, nothing to worry about. Yeah, okay, after converting it comes like this. And do not click on download, just click over here, download. Yeah, so I'm clicking on download. This is ad, you can just close it. Okay, you can just close it off. Okay, so you can see, oh, the tutu is downloading tutu, so I'm not making sure I'm just canceling one. Okay, it's downloading, so it's in the same. Okay, so you can see the name, Vitamate cheap thrills mp4.mp4. Oh, because the source file, let me just go to my downloads folder. Okay, so it's downloaded, I think. Yeah, so make sure the thing is like this. Just a second, I'll show you. So see this is the thing we have downloaded first, which is the original mp4. So let me not take it, I'll just move this original to desktop or somewhere. So downloads folder, this is the converted one. Now this is the converted one. Okay, now let's go to the iTunes. Okay, so in the iTunes, what you have to do is this music, just select it, movies. Okay, and then go to the bottom, scroll over here, and you can see over here all these things. You can see all your playlists and other things of your iPod. So over here, just click on recently added. Okay, so it'll be like this. Now go to your file explorer, and this is a very simple step. Just make it small a bit. Okay, let me make it a bit more small. Yeah, so it is at the side. and what you have to do is just very easy, single click on it and drag it to this. It'll be like this link, and just remove it. So it'll take time to go, and you just go to here a new one will come, home videos. You go there, you see it's there. Okay. So what you have to do here? So now it's in iTunes. So from iTunes to go to your PC, to your iPod, just drag this to your movies. And before dragging, right click on it and just click on video info. It'll be default, but make sure this media in the options, media kind is home video. If not, please change it. Just check it once. It will always be home video. And see, just drag it to movies. See, copying one file to its do not disconnect, it's gone. So I'll also show you, it'll not come. Now wait, I'll go to my desktop and I'll show where was that which I moved, original one. Yeah, this also I'll move it and I'll show you. Okay, so this is the new one, I guess. Wait, let me play and see it. Yeah.
Up with it, girl.
Okay, you can see here 360p, that's it. So this was the original MP4. When I tried to put it to movies, see what it comes. It came. This also it came. So what do you confirm with it is, sometimes when it is it depends on your iPod version. So if your iPod version is old, you what you have to do is what I did the step, and or else you can just directly drag it. Okay, you go to movies. Wait, it's loading a bit. Okay, in my movies, see, I have it both. So you first try it directly to go. If it did not come by chance, you have to do the steps I did. Okay. Yeah, so now I'll tell you the second method how to do it. So first let's go to our Google Chrome, and I'll give you the link of this, or you can just type videoconverter.wondershare.com, or I'll give you the link. Just click on try free. Okay, it'll come like this on a new site, 100% secure. So you can see it's downloaded. It's only 1.439 KB. Okay, so it's downloaded. Let's go to my downloads folder. Okay, so here it is. Let's just double click on it. Yes, and now we'll start installing this. It's Wondershare Uniconverter. I told you like how to do it in, will come like this. How to do more than 50 MB. Now I'll tell you. Just click on install. It's installing. Please wait. 0% finished. It's also very secure. It's no 3%. Okay, now 71% is finished. Let's wait. So the downloading depends on your internet speed. If your internet is very fast, it becomes fast, or else a bit slow. Okay, so it's downloaded, and just click on start now. So it's starting. So here you can see the icon. This is the welcome page. I'll just send it and we should restart it. Now I'm double clicking on it. Let it open. Yeah, so it's opening. Yeah, okay, so this is the main screen. Okay, so now you can just minimize it and now connect your iPod to your laptop. Okay, so I just connected it. So you can just open the iPod, iTunes. Okay, so it's loading. Yeah, so I've opened my iTunes. Yeah. So my iPod is connected, and I'll tell you how to convert it also. Okay, you have to just install and keep ready with the video file above 50 MB to just check it. Okay, so I have a file downloaded. Let's just drag and drop it. Yeah, so now just go to your Wondershare and you can just click on this add or drag files here to start conversion. Okay, just click on here. It'll come where to I have it in my downloads. This is the one I'm opening. It's adding files one on one. So I'll show you the thing. So this is my downloads folder. See, one item selected 65.1 MB. It's more than 50 MB. So now let's see. Just go to your Wondershare converter, and it's here 30 minutes. Okay, this is 30 minutes, 65.18 MB. Okay, so what first before converting it, or here output format, you have to click on this. No, it should not be MP4 video file. Okay, you will get a list like this. Now just go to devices over here. It will be like video, audio, and device. Just click on device, and here it will come. And make sure this side it's selected Apple, because iPod is from Apple or Samsung or anything. But now we have to do it for iPod, which is an Apple company. So just click on Apple and just click which is yours. So it's iPad, iPod. Where is iPod? Okay, iPod Classic. Can you see over here? This is iPod Classic. So just click on iPod Classic. So see output format iPod Classic. So now just click on convert over here. This is a trial version. You can just keep it trial version, nothing will happen. Or if you want premium, you can, or else just click on continue trial. It will not ask you money. Free trial. So it's converting. So let it convert. (56) 63% completed. It's almost over. Okay, so it's done. It's converted. You can see it in the finished thing. So see, it's finished. So now let's just minimize it, everything. Now go to your thing and just go to your drives. Okay, when you go to your main drive, it will be like Wondershare Uni Converter. Go to that folder and click on converted. Okay, so this is the converted one. I'll just rename